So a very good afternoon to all the BBA fourth semester students. So today I have uploaded notes in your WhatsApp group and uploaded this video in YouTube, which is basically a discussion on the note. Please go through it, and I expect everyone has prepared the notes which I have given you last day. This discussion is basically an extension of the discussion that we have had in the last day. So, unless and until you are prepared with the notes which I have given you last day, you will face problem in understanding this concept of control chart, which is the topic of discussion today. Well, let us recall what we have done in the last day, what discussion we have had in the last day. The discussion that we have had in the last day was related to the concept of statistical quality control. Now, as I told you that the premise on which the concept of statistical quality control stands is the fact that variations in business process is inevitable. That means you cannot totally eliminate the business variations in the business process. What you can do is you can minimize the variations and bring it down to a tolerance limit. So, the purpose of a quality assurance department is to identify the causes of variations which is leading to significant variations in the business process and minimize the variation and bring it down to a tolerance limit. It is said that if the business process varies significantly, then it is mainly because of assignable causes of variation, which is one of the cause for variation. Now, the purpose of the quality assurance department is to identify the assignable causes of variation and rectify it. Because if a business process is allowed to contain assignable causes of variation, then it will be a threat. The business process can break down at any point of time. Another causes of variation would be non-assignable, which you also term as random causes of variation or chance causes. So these random causes of variation are those causes which you cannot detect or identify and rectify. So you have to leave a scope for the business process to contain the, to possess the non-assignable causes. But it is said that non-assignable causes of variation is not a threat. The threat for the business process is mainly the assignable causes of variation. So the purpose of statistical quality control is to identify the presence of assignable causes of variation in the business process and rectify it. So you can say that any business process is said to be in statistical quality control if it possesses only the non-assignable causes of variation, and all the assignable causes of variations are identified and rectified. Today, the notes that I have given you, control chart as the name suggests, it is in the form of a chart, or you can say it is a depiction. So it is a diagrammatic representation by which you can decide on whether the business process is running well, or the business process is under statistical quality control, or the business process has gone out of control. So before we go to the discussion of control chart, let me there are few terminologies which you need to understand. The first terminology is specification limit. Specification limit and tolerance limit are more or less the same. Specification limit is basically the range of variation which a quality assurance department will allow the business process to possess. For example, the example that here it is given, here it is mentioned is that, say for example, a manufacturing department is coming up and producing a sachet of shampoo. Now the quality assurance department has specified that the manufacturing department cannot have a sachet which is having weight more than 504 grams or having weight less than 496 grams. So 496 grams becomes the lower specification limit or lower tolerance limit, and 504 grams becomes the upper tolerance limit or upper specification limit. So this is what we understand by specification limit. How do we derive to the specification limit? It is basically a translation of the customer voice into specification by the quality assurance department. As I told you in the last day, that quality for a customer would be qualitative in nature. The expression of quality would be qualitative, whereas the expression of quality for the manufacturing department has to be quantitative. So it is basically the weight of the sachet of shampoo is basically a translation of the customer voice to specifications by the quality assurance department to the manufacturing team. So read the first page, read the first point and see whether there is any confusion.